Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Daily Update. This is my first daily update on this altcoin, and of course before we begin, join our monthly subscription to get automated signal on when to sell and when to buy altcoins, guys. This is something revolutionary and you will notice that. Also you will get educational videos and personal guidance. It is something amazing. Check it out, link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. Also join our Telegram group chat and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. So let's begin with our technical analysis and the price prediction. Right now what I want to do is to check if Luna can go even higher and where it can go, right? We all need to answer these two simple questions, and I will be very specific with you. First of all, I will do something here. I will just draw my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top to find some support levels, but also to find the next resistance level, the next target, which is around the 17. You can see it is around the 17.3 Tether USD. It is the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. If you haven't added this number, add it now. It is very nice and unique. And of course, guys, we have some support levels in case we correct a little bit. You can see the 12.8, around 13, and 11.5. Okay. So this is the first step in order to identify some major support and resistance level. The next step is to draw a Fibonacci extension, and I will use this tool from this bottom right here to this top to this bottom right there. And of course, according to the Fibonacci extension, we have one more price target around here, okay, at the 16.5. So we got the 16.5, the 17.3, and some other support levels. We will check if we can go there. Of course, we have the 12.2. We will see all of that. Let's see the MACD. This is what happens, guys, when we have a very nice bull run and impulsive wave. We have the higher highs and the higher lows. You can see on the blue line where the blue line is getting above, and you can see we have higher highs and higher lows. Even if we have a cross down here, we don't want just to go all the way down, okay? This will be catastrophic, but we want to keep our position and have a minor bearish cross, which is very safe and healthy, guys. Even if the blue line crosses down the signal line, the orange line, we don't have to worry about it. See, this is something very healthy. Okay, so let's go a little bit to Luna USDT on the 4-hour frame on the RSI, and we can see that on the RSI we have on the 4-hour frame something that I personally really like. Okay, we have something that we call the pattern of an impulsive wave, where you can see the lowest RSI doesn't even go into an oversold situation. Instead, we just go here, we just keep our position around here, and we just have higher highs and higher lows. Eventually, we might be forming something like this before we drop all the way down. This is something very good on the 4-hour frame. You can see that we made the 20-day EMA as support level. Same happened with the AXS. You can see that the yellow line is the 20-day EMA, and we just bounce back. When we hit the 20-day EMA, we bounce off and go upward as well. Okay, so it is very good. Right now, the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation. It is not there yet, but once it goes into an oversold situation, we can pump up again. Okay, so even if we correct a little bit, do not worry. I don't think this is over for Luna just yet. All right, so therefore, let's see a little bit the Luna in the Tether USD, guys, on the daily frame. And you can see we had a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid around here. You can see the blue arrow right here, and we don't have a selling opportunity, because if we had, we would receive a red arrow. We would have to short our position, but right now we don't have one yet. We had a buying opportunity here according to the SSL hybrid. Pretty good job for the SSL hybrid. And let's go to the Bollinger Bands to see that when we have an impulsive wave, we don't care if we go along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. You can check it out. We just don't care. All right, so eventually we are pretty good. We are pretty awesome for Luna to just sit here on the top line and go along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Even if we have a risk in an impulsive way, we don't care. Okay, we just don't care. Let's go a little bit to the commodity channel index. Everything is in an overbought situation, guys. The RSI as well is in an overbought situation. You can check it out here. And what will happen though is probably we might be going something like this on the daily frame. That's what we hope for, at least, guys. And of course the same for the commodity channel index. Whenever there is a possible cut forming, I just want to draw some ears, and you can see actually some eyes, and you can see that here is a cut with a big smile, right? So therefore we are going upwards, and of course, guys, we are going to stay a little bit in an overbought situation right here. Okay, so therefore the stochastic RSI is also in an overbought situation. You can check it out, and of course it stays a little bit above the 80. We might be going down, but we won't care, right? This is something, guys, that we have an extreme overbought situation. We have an extreme risk on the daily frame, but because we are in an impulsive wave, we shouldn't be afraid though. But we will see an RSI bearish divergence or a commodity channel index bearish divergence if we form a lower high in the RSI but a higher high in the price. Okay, so let's go right now to the Luna Bitcoin chart. You can see it looks exactly like the USDT. We have an overbought situation. The commodity channel index is staying above the 100. So is the RSI. You can see that. And of course, we keep getting higher lows and higher highs on the commodity channel index and on the RSI as well. This is something very, very good. And you can see the start of an impulsive wave. It is pretty awesome for Luna Bitcoin chart. And of course, on the daily frame, we are having the RSI above the 70, the commodity channel index above the 100. We have an extreme overbought situation, but that's what happens in an impulsive wave. In a normal market, I would tell you just go and sell and never look back. Okay, in a normal market, this would be an extreme overbought situation. Just go and sell and never look back again. But this is an impulsive wave, so I can't advise you to do that yet. All right, so we can check that Luna on the 4-hour frame, and we can go now to the price analysis. In case you missed, guys, the start of the video and how did I draw the Fibonacci retracement, go to the first minutes of the video I had on how to draw the Fibonacci extension and the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we found, according to these tools, we found the 16.4, 17.3, and of course we had some support levels, 13, 11.5, we have one more at 12.3, and of course the 10.3. Okay, so we have these support levels in case we drop down, and these support levels, guys, even if we drop down around at the 11.5 or 12.2, don't be scared. All right, do not be scared. But if you want to wait right now and you are not sure if you want to invest or not, then I would suggest you to wait around here, guys, until we pass the 15 and make it as support level, and then you can swing trade around here or around there, 10% or 15% in case you want to minimize the risk, because there is a risk involved right there. I just believe we can go even higher. Okay, so in case you want to minimize the risk, you can follow this buying strategy on 15 Tether USD, 16.4 and 17.3. All right, so we have the 12.8, 9, 12.3, 11.5 in case you just want to, in case if we fall down, to know exactly, guys, your support level. I always want to be specific with you and I don't want to mess around. Okay, I always want to tell you the truth, and that's what it is, guys. Probably we are going a little bit further down before we go upwards again and go to the 16.5, maybe 17.3. I really hope and I really believe we can go even higher, and Bitcoin will help us. If we have on the Bitcoin, you can see I've drawn before on my previous video a cut right here on the RSI, very nice cut. But if we go, guys, above, and if we can go have another swing high right here, it would be very good, because on the RSI you can see that on the 4-hour frame we are getting into an oversold situation. This will help very much Luna and other altcoins, right? Because we are on the commodity channel index in an oversold situation. On the 4-hour frame on the RSI, we are going there, we tend to go there. And of course on the daily frame, if I check it out, we had a very overbought situation right here, and that's why we correct, because we had the RSI above the 70, and now we are going down. But you can see that even if we are going so further down, the price remains a little bit higher. Okay, this is something good. This is something that we might go to 36,500, go and have another swing high. So for Luna, this would mean, guys, that it can push and help Luna into getting easier at the 17 if Bitcoin has another pump up. All right, because it is very much, and it's very easier if Bitcoin goes upwards for Luna to go to the next price targets, which is the 16.4, 17.3, and of course we have the minus 0.5, the around 20 Tether USD. Okay, around there, guys, 19.6, around there, the previous highs. You can see here very strong resistance levels right there, and yes, we might be able to go there. I hope that we can, but for the short term, the next price targets are the 16.4 and 17.3. all right, so before we close the video, join the monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal selling and buying opportunities, something revolutionary, guys. Check it out, and of course hit the like button, subscribe, and join our beautiful Telegram group chat. We help each other every day there. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.